Hello, it's me, and I've got another box to unbox. This comes from Spain, from Pozo, I think his name is. Anyway, there are talents all around the world with these twisty puzzles. Very well wrapped. Boom. Okay, so, got it open. Get through the little styrofoam peanuts here. Okay, oh, it looks like we've got a couple. We've got a couple things here. Let's bring them all out. All right, talent from around the world. So let's see, should we start off with the small ones or the large ones? Okay, so we'll start off with this guy over here. Start off with the bigger puzzle. Now a lot of these come from various places, like satellite 3D printing services that have made it easy for various designers to make their dreams into reality. So, oh, I think I remember what this is. Yes, this is something I've been excited about. Okay, so this actually helps complete part of a collection here. So, all right. So this is an octahedron. Wow, the movement is really, really good. Excellent. So this is looks like FDM 3D printing, but the tensions are perfect. Very nice. So it's a face-turning octahedron, and I had the Elite face-turning, but I don't think I had the Master. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a Master face-turning octahedron. I have the octahedron, the Elite, but I don't have this, so this helps fill a gap. It's a platonic solid, so basically it moves as a face turner, and it's really not a modification of anything else. So there's no jumbling or anything like that, but I have to say I'm really impressed with the craftsmanship here. Okay, so rolling it all out, I guess we can start off with this diamond skew, which is really more of a shape modification of a skew, but we can say that maybe this is a two-layer face-turning octahedron. Then going to the three-layer version of this, which is the, well, face-turning octahedron. This here represents the master version of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this represents, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. So what is the difference then between these two puzzles here? This is equivalent to this, equivalent to these. So these are all face-turning octahedrons. So I wonder what then would be the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Well, we can move it on up to the Elite version here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in some ways we can say that this belongs here, but I'm wondering, and I didn't think about this until now, about the similarities here. So we've got this, 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 and this. These are equivalent to each other. These are all equivalent to each other. This is equivalent to this piece over here. Then you've got this extra piece over here. What is that equivalent to? So it looks like we've got some extra pieces here. So it looks like there's an association between these, but maybe I'm not quite getting the similarities here. Anyway, nicely well done puzzle. A little rickety with this area here, but not too bad. So I'm going to see if the solves are at all similar. Yeah, makes me wonder. Yeah, if I do my down, 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 up, how that would affect it. So there it is, kind of an addition to the collection, but I have to sift through to see the basic difference between these two versions of the puzzle. But they both appear like master versions of the face-turning octahedron. Okay, so let's see what this guy is all about. Carefully getting through the very well taped portion here. Now these appear to be like extensions. Modifications, not really so much modifications of baseline puzzles, but extensions. Alright, what do we have here and how does this compare to everything? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at this and compare that to this guy over here. So they're both octahedron, so they're both face-turning octahedrons. This is here, and this is like here. Turn and turn. Once again, looks like it's an extension, and this moves really, really well. Okay, just seeing how well this turns. Okay, excellent. So this has a center in it though, so I think this corner is equivalent to this corner over here. You got these pieces here. These are all equivalent. The difference is that you've got a centerpiece here and you don't have a centerpiece here. So one might say that this is the natural extension from this, where these have centers. So every face-turning octahedron that I have has a center. Center, center, I guess center. The one that does not have a center is this. So maybe this is the next step up here, and maybe it's solved the same way. Down, well, let's see. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, up. Okay, so this is a very typical exchange. Let's see what happens when I do this with this guy here. So that's going to be down, 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 up, up, down, up, up. Okay, same thing. The only difference is a center, so this is a very interesting variation of that. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, and one more should get it all solved. So you can see how smoothly this moves. Okay, so if there's a purity of form that has to do with maintaining the center, then this has it. If I were to move this back into place, I'd just go like down, 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 up, up. It's just a simple commutator to get these back. Okay, so very interesting additions to the collection in that they add structures that aren't necessarily here. With this piece, with this puzzle here, I'm seeing that these are the same, these are the same, these are the same, but I've got this extra piece over here, and I've got the center over here. So really, I just have this extra piece here, which should be pretty interesting as to how I'm going to solve that. Maybe I reduce these. If I reduce both of these, that'll be equivalent to this guy over here. But it still overlaps with these, so that's going to be fascinating. Now I got this guy over here, and this is something unexpected. I don't remember ordering anything like this, so I'm very excited because it represents something completely new. I feel like I'm opening up a present. It looks pretty homogeneous. What do we have here? Who are you? Alright, so every so often I get a surprise, something to figure out. Wow, okay. I think it's scrambled, and this moves independently. It's almost like a square one kind of a deal. Aha. So, interesting. This is pretty homogeneous over here. So what do you look like when you're solved? Well, this will come over to here. Do they all go on one side? What I can do is just keep matching pieces that look like they belong. So what belongs next to this? Not this piece. All right. Let's see. Maybe if I move it like this. Okay, so this fits over here. So these are all okay. This doesn't like to be over here. So what if I go like this? No. Maybe move this in like so. Okay. This is going to take some figuring out, I think. I think this belongs with these big guys over here, but this doesn't quite fit. So it's a two-layer puzzle. And I'm trying to figure out okay, now there's only so much scrambling that you can do with a puzzle like this. So something like this, no. Okay, maybe something like that. These are kind of matching with each other. This kind of matches, but not really. Okay, this, I don't think this likes to be here, but I think this wants to be here. So turn this like so. And turn this into here. Turn this back over here. Nope, I think I messed it up. Let's see, turn this over to here. Okay, I'm going to try to figure this guy out. And I assume it's going to be pretty symmetric, or it's supposed to be symmetric. So move this like so. Maybe move this back into here.
What?
Bring this over to this side, and then I can bring this up to this side, but that's not exactly what I want. So if I pre-identify what piece I want, something nearly as big as this, maybe this belongs here. Aha! This belongs here. Then I can move this into here. Does this belong here? I don't think so. But I think if I turn this like so, move this in like thus, this is all okay here.
I'm gonna make some bananas. It's gonna take 5 minutes.
That'll be great. You make yourself a mean Yonana.
I'm just saying that because you're making a video.
Yes. Oh, you're not really gonna make it?
No, I am.
Okay.
I'm just saying that because you're making a video.
Ah.
Just funny. Please cut that out.
Sure, it'll cut out. I'm not gonna cut it out. Move this. Okay, so this is looking a little bit more like what it's supposed to look like. These all.
It's gonna make noise.
Oh, I see. Okay, so these all. This I think belongs here. Now it's just a matter of figuring out how to do that. If I move this like so. Ooh, that likes to be here, I think. Then I move this like thus. Okay, and then I go like, aha! Okay. All right, that was fun. So I love it when that happens. I think this is the solved state of this. I'm not sure what this puzzle is called. I'm not sure where this is supposed to line up. I don't know if it's got a specific area, but I had to get it into a circle. You can solve it pretty intuitively, but a very, very fun puzzle, I have to say. I'm gonna scramble this again and try to solve it, but it was really just a matter of putting these in. If you'd like, I can do a more descriptive tutorial with this. Well, thank you. This was highly unexpected and much appreciated. And by the way, anybody who wants to send a scrambled puzzle for me to figure out, I'd be more than happy to oblige. But these are very welcome, fascinating additions to the face-turning octahedral group. I always love to increase my platonic solid face-turning puzzles when I can. So there you have it. Thanks so much for the great work and the unexpected and great puzzle, and thank you for watching.